What if the app you've always dreamed about could finally become real, without you ever writing a single line of code? No coding, no designers, no developers, no tech skills you don't have. You don't do the hard work anymore. Your AI agent does it all for you. Meet SnapApp's AI. You simply tell your AI agent what you want, and it builds, designs, brands, and publishes a complete web app for you. No code, no design skills, no hosting headaches. Just the apps, the clients, and the income you got into this for. Let's see it for yourself. This is your SnapApp's AI dashboard, the command center where every app you'll ever build begins. From this one screen, simply describe any application in plain English, and SnapApp's AI builds it instantly, live, interactive, and ready to ship. And prefer talking instead of typing? Just hit the microphone and bring your idea to life with your voice. Choose the AI model that best fits your project, then generate your app in seconds. And here's the best part. Connect your Telegram bot or install your app with a single click. Not sure where to begin? Jumpstart your project with ready-made, popular starters ready to go. One click and you're already building. Let's say I want to build an online store. I simply type what I want. A modern e-commerce website with products, a cart, and checkout, and click Generate App. It's analyzing your prompt, generating the components, applying the design, and finalizing your app. Our app is generated instantly, complete with professionally designed layouts, stunning visuals, icons, text, images, buttons, forms, QR codes, links, and everything your app needs. You don't have to build anything manually. SnapApp's AI takes care of it all. Preview your app instantly across desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure it looks perfect on every device. Want to make changes? Just tell the AI in plain English. Update layouts, colors, sections, features, or even entire pages, and watch every change appear live in the preview. Need complete control? Open the code editor to customize every detail exactly the way you want. Or you can copy your full source code, extend your project, or continue development in your favorite IDE with complete ownership. When everything looks perfect, hit publish, and your app is live, ready to share with the world in seconds. And just like that, your app is live, complete with a shareable link, QR code, and a fully responsive experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Share it instantly. Keep improving it with AI. Customize every detail in the code editor, from a simple idea to a live app, in just minutes with SnapApp's AI. But building doesn't stop here. What if you could create apps without even opening your laptop or PC? Just connect your Telegram bot or install your app with a single click, and your Snap AI agent is always with you. Whether you're at home, traveling, or waiting in line, simply send a message from your phone, and your app starts building instantly. You send one message to your Snap agent, and your app starts building. One command, one AI agent, total control right in your pocket. Because when the power to build software fits in your hand, you can create anywhere life takes you. Once your app is live, it's automatically saved to your My Apps dashboard, keeping all your projects organized in one place. Quickly find any application using search, or filter your projects by all, live, or draft. Need to make changes? Edit your app anytime, preview it instantly, publish new updates with a click, or remove projects you no longer need. Everything you build is always just one click away, ready to manage, update, and launch whenever you need it. Now, we've built an app, but you might be wondering, what if I don't have an app idea? Or I don't even own a website? That's where SnapApp's AI truly stands out. It's not just an AI app builder, it's a complete business platform designed to help you earn. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, entrepreneur, or just getting started, Snap Apps AI gives you everything you need to create, launch, and sell digital products. Build websites and apps for your clients, deliver projects faster, and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for your work. With Snap Apps AI, you're not just building applications, you're building a real business. And if you don't want to build everything from scratch, Snap Apps AI has you covered. Get access to 30+ professionally designed, done-for-you templates ready to customize, brand, and launch in minutes. From e-commerce stores and SaaS platforms to portfolios, restaurants, booking systems, CRMs, and more, simply choose a template, make it your own, and publish with just a few clicks. Skip the hard work, save hours of development time, and start delivering projects or launching your own business faster than ever. And that's just the beginning. If you're planning to build an agency, Snap Apps AI gives you everything you need to run it like a professional. Manage clients, organize your team, enable white label branding, and close more deals with ready-to-use DFY client proposals. Get Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork profile templates to start attracting clients faster. Create professional invoices, collect client feedback and video approvals, and even generate monthly delivery reports, all from one dashboard. With White Label, make the platform truly yours. Upload your logo, customize your branding, colors, and domain, and deliver a fully branded experience to your clients. They see your business, not ours. And Domain, connect your own custom domain in just a few clicks. Simply enter your domain name and your app is live on your own branded website. And settings, everything is managed from one centralized settings panel. Manage your workspace, upgrade your subscription, access step-by-step tutorials, unlock exclusive bonuses, and get support whenever you need it. No complicated setup. Everything you need to grow your business is just a click away. And that completes your Snap Apps AI tour. From idea to launch, from apps to business, everything you need is in one platform. Start building, start growing, and turn your ideas into reality with Snap Apps AI.